Alright guys, so I hope that you enjoyed that video. Obviously, like I said, I have no expertise on dating, but I feel like I put it together pretty well, kind of just pulling it out of my ass. So yeah, kind of funny. But now, clearly I'm not going to actually upload it to my YouTube channel. So I'm going to upload it as unlisted, but you would obviously upload it as public or scheduled if you were trying to schedule it for a certain time. Now, here I am on YouTube. All I basically did was click the upload button up here, and that's where we are. So I'm going to click this, and then I'm going to upload it. Now I'm going to find it, which it was in Documents, in the one course, and it was YouTube CPA Final Cuts 7, and I'm going to upload it. Now you'll see it'll start uploading and processing, and this is where you're going to use your tags. Now I want to take this opportunity to talk about something that I use, that's TubeBuddy. Now I'm still in the free trial of TubeBuddy, but if you watch anything, if you know anything about my YouTube channel, I'm basically demonstrating what the difference between the free and the paid version of TubeBuddy is. TubeBuddy is a phenomenal tool. So is vidIQ, something I'm going to talk about more in depth in some of my future YouTube videos. But for right now, I just kind of want to go over TubeBuddy because it will really help you tag your videos right. And tagging is 99.9% of the game, because if you can't get found, if you can't drive traffic to your actual video, you're not going to get any clicks on your actual CPA links. So we're going to go for the description. Obviously the title, and this title is obviously named Final YouTube Video Example because this is the lecture video. But if I were actually naming the video that we're talking about, the dating video, what I would do is I'd open up another YouTube, and actually I'm going to just go like this, open a new tab, and what I would do is I would come up here, and this is important. Now you're going to want to capitalize on a title, a tag in the title. That's really, really important. Sometimes even capitalize on two, but you're also going to want to capitalize on tags in your tags down here, and you get 500 characters. So I'm going to go over how to actually identify these for you, and it'll count for you. TubeBuddy is great if you don't need to use it, but it's going to be really, really difficult to identify long tail keywords that don't get that much competition, that have higher traffic without TubeBuddy. So I guarantee you, you will not regret getting TubeBuddy. I'll link that in this lecture, as well as the lecture that I believe it's lecture 3, that it's linked with all the software too. So TubeBuddy and all the software will be linked in this one. Feel free to go ahead and grab it. It's 100% free. You can sign up for free, but typically I will obviously be upgrading to the paid version, which comes with so many more plugins and tools. But for right now, we're just going to use the free version, which is the Tag Explorer, and that's the best bet. So we're going to basically try to search on YouTube to find tags that have decently low competition but high enough traffic that we're going to want to target. Now we're a small channel just getting started. Obviously, I'm putting myself in your shoes. So you're going to want to go for more long tail keywords that actually that you can rank for. So we're going to start typing stuff in. So let's just try stuff here. Let's try dating tips 2017, and we'll see if that's rankable. And it's going to show us and pull out some information here. So that's very good. It has relatively low competition and decent enough search volume that you're going to want to target it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to actually put that in my title. And then you can do an and, you can do a bar separator, you can do a dash. Don't just put keywords, you want it to flow, but dating tips 2017 is pretty good. So I'm going to basically say dating tips 2017 dash, and then we'll try to throw another keyword in there. 3 things your parents didn't tell you, and we'll see if we can rank for that too. Now, typically, this is actually a good example. Typically, you're not going to find very, very good ones right off the bat. You're going to need to explore them a little bit more. But I'm going to just basically put these in here to demonstrate. So dating tips 2017. Obviously, you're going to want to capitalize all these and make it look like a title, pretty much across the board. And then we're going to start putting these in the tags. So you're going to want to put these in the tags as well. And we're going to throw this in as a tag. Didn't mean to do that. And really all you're going to do now is go down and fill out the 500 characters full of your tags that you feel like you can rank for. Now, it'll start suggesting things here for you, but I'm going to give you a bad example of one to kind of avoid. So let's just go to dating tip. This is probably hard to rank for because I'm sure a lot of people are trying to target this keyword. See, it's very poor. It's got a lot of competition. and the search volume isn't up to par with the competition. Now, obviously, this will tell you at 1 out of 100 what it thinks, and it's poor. But you can kind of look at the search volume competition yourself and kind of decide whether or not you feel like you can rank for that. And clearly, you're going to want to target some goods, some very goods, and if you get a great one, then that's phenomenal. You'll also see fairs thrown in there. The more you play around with this, the better you'll get. Now, it also tells you who's basically ranking for these in the search volume. Matthew Hussey ranks 2 out of 19 top search results for dating tip, and Alpha M ranks, at the very top. So it's something to keep in mind. It's pretty cool. You can play around with these, and then you're going to want to tag your videos essentially and fill out the entirety of the 500 characters and really maximize the bang for your buck. Okay, so that's something to keep in mind. Then you're going to want to focus on your description. Now, we're going to get the link for our description. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to scroll all the way down to the actual, this actual offer right here. And you're simply going to go down to either search or banners, and sometimes you'll see text links. So I'm going to go to banners, and I'm going to get the tracking code. Okay, I actually have to relog back in, and I don't want to show you my password or the actual CPA links that I'm running. So I'm going to end this video here, and then we are going to go over how to actually put the links in your description, so on and so forth. And we're going to get into that in the next actual lecture.